make a quick video on fixing my door handle. So you can see it got loose from running a hammer on my machine. There's a few other things loose. There's a plate in here that's loose. I gotta fix later on. I gotta get a bolt for that. But so to get to that, I gotta take this plate off in there. So not sure what it is underneath there, but we'll find out. Got my Craftsman kit here. That's what I hate about these kind of kits. Everything just falls all over the place. Oh well, that's what it is. All right. Alright, see if we can get under here. Get my trusty Spyderco. See if we can get that plate off. There we go. Alright. Okay, that looks like the culprit. Be nice if it had a lock washer on there. I gotta go get one of those for that. Yeah, both sides are loose, so we'll tighten that up. Probably a 10. Another thing about this machine, a lot of it's metric, a lot of it's SAE. I mean, it's just a mix. It is what it is. It's kind of frustrating, but so you have to have the tools for both. So just using this wrench here. This is a quick fix. Seems to be nice and tight. Put this plate back on. It's nice and tight. Works good. All right, now back to excavation work.